Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're diving into a two-wheeled gem that's been making waves in the scooter world, the all-new 2025 Honda PCX 125. Whether you're an urban commuter or just someone looking for a sleek, efficient, and stylish ride, the PCX 125 brings a lot to the table this year. If you're considering a scooter that combines top-notch performance, great fuel economy, and a modern design, stay tuned because we've got a deep dive into what makes this scooter such a fantastic choice for 2025. Body. Let's kick things off by taking a look at what the Honda PCX series has been all about and how the new 2025 model brings something fresh to this popular lineup. The PCX has always been a scooter that Honda designed with urban living in mind. It's all about convenience, efficiency, and comfort. With the 2025 model, Honda has packed in several updates that make the PCX 125 more than just a commuter scooter. It's a premium choice for anyone who loves a smooth and enjoyable ride. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 PCX 125 is its updated design. Honda has kept its signature look, but there are a few tweaks here and there that make it look sharper and more sophisticated. The body is streamlined with a sleeker front end, giving it an aerodynamic look that's not only stylish but practical too. This design isn't just about looks, though it also helps with wind resistance, making your ride feel smooth even at higher speeds. Honda has incorporated LED lighting all around, from the headlight to the indicators and taillight, which enhances visibility and safety. Speaking of visibility, let's talk about the new digital display. Honda upgraded the PCX's dashboard with a larger and more intuitive digital screen. The display shows you all the essential info like speed, fuel level, and even a battery indicator for the idle stop system. One handy feature that riders will appreciate is the ability to customize some of the display settings, allowing you to prioritize the information that matters most to you while riding. When it comes to performance, Honda has certainly delivered with the 2025 PCX 125. The scooter is powered by a 125cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine. While that may sound modest, it's more than enough for zipping around the city. The PCX 125 has always been known for its balance of power and efficiency, and Honda has managed to fine-tune this balance even more. With this new engine, you're getting a solid power output, making acceleration smooth and responsive, perfect for city traffic and short highway stretches. Let's not forget the handling. The PCX 125 is lightweight, which makes maneuvering through city traffic a breeze. The low seat height and compact design make it accessible for riders of all sizes. Plus, Honda has improved the suspension for 2025 with new front and rear shocks that provide a smoother ride over bumpy roads. This is one of the biggest perks of the PCX 125 riding comfort. You won't feel every bump and crack in the pavement, which makes it great for longer commutes or weekend rides around town. Storage is another area where the PCX 125 shines. Honda has equipped this scooter with an impressive under-seat storage compartment that can easily fit a full-face helmet or a bag of groceries. This makes it a practical choice for anyone who needs to carry a few items while riding. Additionally, there's a small compartment at the front where you can store your phone or other small essentials, and Honda even included a USB-C charging port so you can keep your devices powered up on the go. Moving on to the wheels and brakes, the PCX 125 is equipped with 14-inch wheels at the front and 13-inch wheels at the rear, both designed to handle urban terrains well. These wheels provide excellent stability and grip, even on wet or uneven roads. Honda has included a combined braking system (CBS) on the PCX 125, which distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels for safer, more controlled stops. For added peace of mind, there's also an ABS option available. This anti-lock braking system prevents the wheels from locking up, especially on slippery surfaces, which is a fantastic safety feature, particularly for new or less experienced riders. One thing riders always appreciate is a quiet engine, and the PCX 125 is known for its refined and low-noise operation. Thanks to Honda's engineering, the engine runs smoothly and quietly even at higher speeds. This makes it a great choice if you prefer a more peaceful ride without the loud hum you get from some other scooters. In terms of color options, Honda offers a few stylish choices for 2025. Depending on your market, you might find the PCX 125 available in classic colors like matte black, pearl white, and maybe a few vibrant options like metallic red or blue. Each color has a high-quality finish that complements the overall premium look of the scooter. These aren't just standard paint jobs. Honda has gone the extra mile to make the colors really pop, giving the PCX 125 a luxurious vibe. Now, let's talk about some accessories. Honda knows that many riders love to customize their scooters, so they've made sure there are plenty of add-on options available for the PCX 125. From rear boxes to windscreens, floor mats, and handlebar grips, there's a wide range of accessories that can enhance both the functionality and style of your PCX 125. Whether you want to increase storage capacity or just add a personal touch, these accessories are easy to install and readily available at Honda dealerships. One of the biggest questions people ask about scooters is it comfortable for two people with the PCX 125? The answer is yes. Honda has designed this scooter to accommodate a passenger comfortably, with a wide seat and a secure footrest. It's also worth mentioning that the 2025 model has an improved rear grip, which gives passengers a better handhold and makes getting on and off easier. Let's touch on Honda's commitment to eco-friendliness. With emissions regulations tightening globally, Honda has taken steps to ensure the PCX 125 is compliant with Euro 5 standards. This means the scooter has a cleaner exhaust system, reducing its carbon footprint while delivering excellent performance. For riders who are eco-conscious, the PCX 125 offers a way to commute with minimal environmental impact. So, is the 2025 Honda PCX 125 worth the hype? If you're in the market for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and stylish scooter that's ideal for city commuting, the answer is a resounding yes. With its blend of modern tech, impressive fuel economy, and smooth ride quality, the PCX 125 stands out as a top choice for 2025. Honda has done a fantastic job of listening to rider feedback and enhancing the PCX's features year after year, and this model reflects their dedication to providing a scooter that's both practical and enjoyable to ride.